Welcome Year 8 and congratulations for making it to the end of the term. So today we're going to be doing our celebration assembly and I'm going to be awarding quite a lot of prizes, so I hope you do receive one. If not, just wait until next term and I'm sure that you'll be able to get one then. So we've made it through the first term of a very challenging year so far, but you have came out stronger, wiser and more prepared for what is ahead of you. Today we are celebrating you and your achievements. For outstanding achievement. In English, well done to Vahid and Rosa. In maths, well done to Gabriel and Elizabeth. In science, well done to Caleb from 8E and Ava from 8E. Geography, I'd like to say congratulations to Mevray in 8B and Cheyenne in 8F. In history, well done to Roger in 8B and Aliyah in 8B. Well done. In PE, the award goes to Malaika from 8F and to Christian from 8B. Well done. In drama, our award goes to Alexander and Nikki, both in 8F. Well done. In IT, well done to Isaac in 8B and well done to David in 8F. Excellent work. In RE, Religious Studies, well done to Al Quain in 8B and Asilia also in 8B. Congratulations. In Design and Technology, well done to Iraji and Amelia, both in 8R. In Art, I'd like to say congratulations to Sky in 8R and to Casey in 8B. Well done. In Spanish, a big congratulations to Mate in 8R and Hildana in 8E. In music, our award goes to Rhea in 8F and Aldo in 8E. Congratulations. In PSHE, our award goes to Asilia in 8B and Egidius in 8B as well. In Extra EAL, in Extra English, Christiana, the award goes to in 8O and Jasmine in 8I. Well done. In Writing for Success, again, Christiana in 8O and Assidius in 8B. Well done. In Latin, our award goes to Jason in 8B and Rosa in 8B. Well done. For achievement points, we have 3 awards here. Those that receive achievement points will also get a voucher as well. So you should be receiving an e-voucher to spend on something for yourself. So well done. And for the achievement points, total school ones in autumn term 1 and 2, we had 44,000 achievement points awarded. It's a great accomplishment. In year 8, there was 12,471 of those. So that's excellent. Year 8 top 4 was 8F. Congratulations. You got 2,941 points. So well done, 8F. Form Tutor Awards. In 8B, it's decided to be Irina and Isaac. So well done for your Form Tutor Awards. In 8R, it's Emily and Alex. Congratulations. Form Tutor Award for 8O goes to Romain and Elena. Well done. For 8M, it's Sveti and David. Well done. In 8F, congratulations to Mantel and Malika. Well done on achieving that. In 8I, Dylan and Jasmine. Congratulations. Finally, 8E, well done to Hildana and Jessie. Congratulations. Top achievement points. So as I said before, these students get a voucher as well. So well done. In 3rd place, it was Ezekiel with 154 points. In 2nd place was David with 155. And in 1st place, well done to Martina, 163 points. That's an amazing achievement. Well done. All 3 of you will get vouchers. Now, the Achievement Director Award. So I have chosen Khalid in 8F and Zoe in 8F as well for your Achievement Director Awards. You've done well all throughout your subjects, well in terms of achievement as well. I'm really proud of you both, as well as the whole year group anyway, but congratulations to you two who will also be receiving vouchers. Well done. The Jack Petchey Award. First one goes to Isaac. This is for tremendous extra work and research that you did in history during lockdown. Absolutely fantastic effort. So well done to Isaac. And the second one goes to Ezekiel. And this is for helping out at open evening, attaining a high PE grade and landing a front somersault on your own trampoline. So well done, both of you, for achieving Jack Petchey Awards, which will have £250 to spend towards anything you want in the school. So congratulations, that's a great achievement. Now we're moving on to the House Awards. For Dalton, it's Nikki in 8F. Congratulations. For Newton, the award goes to Isaac in 8B. Well done. For Anning, it's Chloe in 8F. And in Franklin, it's Ezekiel, 8B. So well done to you four for achieving your House Awards. So, houses. In first place was Newton. Well done, Newton. In second place, it was Dalton. Well done. In third place, we have Anning. Well done. And last but not least, fourth place, Franklin. So well done. Finally, it comes to the attendance. There's so many of you that have achieved even higher punctuality as well, which you would have received certificates in your form trays as well as badges. And for attendance, all of these students have had 100% attendance. So well done, and you'll get your attendance badges as well. This is a great accomplishment. So it brings me to the end of our assembly. It's been a great pleasure to be working with you all this term, and it's been absolutely fantastic. I know it's been hard, it's been difficult. We have all worked hard together. We have been very, very tired, so I hope you have a really nice restful break and be nice and fresh for 2021. Well done, and thank you.